At Titomic, we're turning advanced manufacturing into real-world production.
Here in the United States, we are production ready, delivering advanced manufacturing for defense, aerospace, oil and gas, and other industries.
This quarter, we proved our technology where it counts, successfully hot-fire testing a rocket engine for a major U.S. defense prime.
We secured new defense programs and entered a low-rate initial production in the semiconductor sector.
And we deployed our systems in live offshore energy operations, validating performance in the harshest environments.
We also delivered a TKF 623 system for a global automotive manufacturer. This expanded our footprint into high-volume, performance-driven production.
From production-ready operations in the United States
To advanced manufacturing in Europe
and technology operating across Australia, Titomic is building a truly global manufacturing footprint. Across multiple industries, customers are moving from qualification to production. Titomic is delivering manufacturing with speed, strength, and resilience when it matters most.